Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kanza and welcome back to my channel. Okay, for those who are new in my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing and a little bit review about this. This is the 360 rotating display for your action figures or anything. And don't worry about the box because it's a little bit dense, and because what important is what's inside it. And without further ado, let's go for it. Okay, now let's see what's inside the box. So over here we got a 3-pin adapter, the charger itself, not the charger, the plug. So you got the 2-pin plug, and also with the USB type A, so you either can use the plug or just use the USB to just plug it in. And I'm gonna put this inside, and let's see here. Okay, this is upside down. Okay. So here it is. I don't know why it's oily here. Okay, so this is at the back, this side. So we got to plug it in here, and I think this is the on and off, the switch, and pretty much that's it, the simple one. And if you can notice, it's not like actually tight. And here, this is where the magic happens. So we got the gears here to control the rotating, and this is what underneath it. So we got the gears, and you can put in the battery. I think this is the 1.5 volt of the battery. Oh yes, this one you can actually manually adjust this either here or here. Wait. Okay, so this, I think I need to wipe it out first. Okay, now it's clean. So here, if you can see, I think this is where you can adjust the speed for the rotating. So you got here the slow and the high speed. So first I'm gonna put it in the slow. Wait, is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down, I think. Okay. And then just need to put it back, the lid. And pretty much it. And I'm gonna try to plug it in. Okay, so I'm gonna try to on this one. This is the slow speed. And I think you can get the clockwise and anti-clockwise just at the button here. So you got the 3 step of buttons. So first is clockwise, and at the middle is stop, and then the anti-clockwise. Okay, so this display can hold up to 1 kilogram of weight. Okay, if you like the 360 rotating display, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. And I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Ciao.